The Greater Caucasus, with its mix of mountains and plains, lies along the ancient Silk Road where Europe meets Asia. The remote mountain villages and immaculate countryside make it the perfect destination for lovers of the great outdoors. I need something to start my day before I can uncover the secrets of these mountains. I usually have honey on my bread for breakfast, so I decided to go straight to the source to get it. We are in the village of Lekit, northwestern Azerbaijan. Here, for centuries, locals have been producing the nectar of the gods, Caucasian mountain honey.
Deməli, bizim bu ərazi arıçılıq üçün daha əlverişlidir. Nəyə görə həm havası, həm suyu, biz çünki yerləşdiyimiz ərazi Böyük Qafqaz dağları ərazisidir, yəni ətəklərdir. Buranın təbiəti çox zəngindir. Həm bitki örtüyü olsun, flor və faunası çox zəngin bir yerdir. Ona görə burada arıçılıq daha əlverişlidir və daha keyfiyyətli bal əldə etmək üçün uyğun bir yerdir.
The mild climate here is perfect for developing a wild beekeeping tradition known as tekne. By using a hollowed log carved from soft trees, tekne hives replicate the natural habitat of tree-dwelling bees. The absence of human interference is what distinguishes it from normal beekeeping. However, in the 19th century, Azerbaijan's traditional tekne hives were increasingly replaced by frame hives. Only a few producers continue to use them for raising bees. What's this?
Deməli, bura arıçılığın təməli olan ana arı yetişdirmə təsərrüfatıdır. Yəni, belə deyim, damazlıq təsərrüfatı. Hal-hazır gördüyünüz bu nükleoslar, yəni balaca yeşiklər, ana arı yetişdirmək üçün istifadə olunan yeşiklərdir.
Bees here are from a particular species, the rare Caucasian mountain grey honeybee. Its special attributes enable it to fly better in cooler conditions and survive the winter. I was allowed to observe them close up. Not too close, though. No, thank you. Every Azerbaijani breakfast table traditionally serves honey with homemade butter. Let's see how we can eat it here. Rengis, what are we preparing today?
Burada makara pişir. Makara esasen balla yiyilir. Diyerdim ki seher yemeğidir. Seher çok yiyirler ama günün istenilen saatinde yiyebilirsen.
The mahara butter is made with eggs, milk, flour and salt. The salt is what gives it a unique taste.
Bu hazır xəmir, bax, bu formada tökülür. Biz ona el değmeden o özü güneş formasını alır.
The preparation of a perfect mahara requires a particular technique and significant manual dexterity.
Okay.
It's like doing a crepe. Maharas, which are traditionally made on the eve of the Novruz holiday in spring, represent a rebirth and rejuvenation after a long winter.
Şimdi bunu yağlayıp, balda sürtüp size vereceğim. Yiyip onun tadını göreceksiniz. Ve onun nice muhteşem bir tada malik olduğunu göreceksiniz.
That's so tasty, it's amazing. I've never tried the honey, it's so fresh before. Now that I have all the energy I need, I'm ready for a hike in this beautiful landscape. Let's go! Just outside the village of Lekit, there are several hiking trails that go deep into the forest of the Greater Caucasus. And it isn't a very difficult hike before you come across a fairy tale. The Mamerle waterfall and its surrounding moss suddenly appear from nowhere. This green carpet is a result of hundreds of years of water flowing amongst the rocks and the sunlight not penetrating the thick forest. I need to end my trip in the Caucasus Mountains here with a breath of fresh air and surrounded by this magnificent nature, a peaceful place to regenerate my soul.